Let's start making fruit juice. Put the cup, put kiwi slice, put strawberry slice, put watermelon in the mixer. Let's grind. Oh, our juice is ready. It's a orange color juice. Oh, Mama Pig also want a juice. Let's make it. Put the cup. Add watermelon. Add orange. Add apple slice. Let's blend. Wow! It's a very fresh juice. Mama, drink it. Wow, very tasty. Peppa Pig also want to drink juice. Come on, let's make it. Put the cup. Add strawberry. Add orange. Add watermelon. Blend. Wow, it's a green color juice. Drink it, Peppa Pig. Wow, very good. Pig also want a juice. Let's make it. Add orange. Add apple. Add kiwi. Let's blend. Wow, we got our orange juice. Drink it, Paige. Wow, now that of it, we'll cut fruits. It's a watermelon. Let's cut. Wow, it's an orange. It's a mango. It's an avocado. Let's cut it. It's a strawberry. Cut it. It's a banana. Let's cut. Let's cook something today. Let's cut turkey. Cut create. Put the pan. Choke. Let's heat it. Pour it. Add salt. Wow, it's done. Let's split it. Let's cook chicken. Cover it. Wow, it's getting cooked. Let's add salt. It's done. Let's make a burger. Take the base. Take lettuce. Add cheese slice. Add tomato. Take the patty. Take a lettuce. And cover with top. Wow, our burger is ready. Let's make some tea. Oh, it's very hot. Wow, let's fry fish and broccoli together. That's all. Let's plate it. Wow, this is corn. Cut it. Let's cook. Hardy crab, capsicum, and our corn. That's all. Wow, it's done. Let's fry egg. That's all. Let's put it in a plate. This is our gardening plug. Let's plant seeds. Oh, the fifth seed. Add water. And wait. Wow, we got our veggies. This is cucumber. Wow, this is a carrot. A radish. Red chili. A brinjal. Let's wash it. Let's keep the washed vegetable together. Let's cut our vegetables. Cucumber. Let's cut pumpkin. Let's cut radish. Cut it. Cabbage. Cabbage. Peas. Brinjal. Corn. Let's open it. Wow. Good date. This is happened. Good date. Kiwi. Good date. Watermelon. Let's cut. Strawberry. Dragon fruit. Star fruit. And orange.